Pray for me.
Hey friends, hey people, I hope you're doing fantastic. So today's video, inspiration hit when I was laying down. I wanted to do this heavy blush look that I've been seeing around, but first we're gonna go ahead and prime the face. I'm using this sort of complexion primer by Holme Beauty, and I'm just rubbing it into my face with my hand. It adds a nice luminosity and nice glow to the skin, and I really like it. I can also use the primer on its own without using foundation, but look at that glow that it adds to the face. This is not ashiness, this is glow, baby. It is. Okay, next we're using the Maybelline Master Strobe highlighter. I'm also applying this as well for that extra shine underneath the foundation because we're going a little bit light on the foundation today. The main focus of this look is my under eye and my eye cheekbone for the blush. For foundation, I'm using the Zoeva foundation. I love this foundation. It's so natural, so weightless on the skin. I absolutely love it. So I'm basically focusing it on the outer skirts of my face and just applying a little bit of it that's left on the brush under my eye. Now for blush, I'm using this Juvias Place lipstick for blush, and I'm going heavy with it. This product worked really well for me as a blush. It also worked really well as a lipstick as well. It's for lipstick, but you know, we can always invent, you know, and use products for different purpose on this channel. That's what we do. We go bold. Okay, so I'm blending it using a brush. I'm also going to go ahead, I'm going to apply a little bit more later on, but right now I'm blending with a brush before I go in with my concealer. This is a technique that I've been seeing and I've been wanting to try it, using a blush first and carrying it to the under eye and then applying concealer. I really like this technique. I'm going to be doing this quite often now. Watch me. I also apply a little bit of the lipstick on my nose because I'd usually like to have blush on my nose, so I applied it there for a base as well. For the under eye, I'm using e.l.f. Camo concealer in a shade, I think this is the shade 10 Sand. I'm using this to basically highlight, and I'm only putting it under my eyes. I'm not applying it anywhere else. The focus is under the eyes and the cheekbone today, and I'm blending it using one of my triangle powder puffs. To set the concealer, I'm using the Cory Spun powder. I love this powder. If you know me, you know I love this powder. I'm going to make sure I tap the excess off on my palm, and I'm going to apply it. And as you can see, the Cory Spun powder, because I applied too much, it started to eat up the blush. So I'm going to go back in with the Juvias Place lipstick as a blush again on top of this. And the lipstick works perfectly on top of powder as well. It's not blotchy, not patchy at all. Amazing. So here I am topping up the blush, applying a little bit more of that liquid lipstick to have that extra vavavoom to the face. And you might notice I'm only using one brush. I've only used this one brush and the triangle powder puff, and that's all I used for today's makeup. And this is where we go bold. I'm applying the blush, you know, the liquid blush under my eyes as well a little bit, so that way you can have that vavoom. And I'm going back in with my triangle powder puff just to tap it into place. So good. I love this technique already. Like, my makeup ate today. I'm not really going anywhere, but it eats. I'm just going to define the brow using the Benefit Kabrow. I'm going to put the shade down below as well. I didn't put eyelashes or anything in today's video. I just used mascara. This is a Ford Mascara to add a little bit of volume, because again, as we said, the focus is the under eye and the cheekbone. So the blush and the under eye today. For lipstick, I'm using this lip liner. I'm going to put the name down below, and I'm going to use the Juvias Place lipstick as well to create the ombre effect. But I'm going to line my lips using the lip liner first. I hope you enjoyed this video. I was lying down and I thought, let me try this technique, and it took me all of nothing but 5 minutes. This video is 5 minutes 26 seconds long. That's basically how long it took me, pausing in between, but it basically took me about, let's say, 6 minutes altogether. It's not bad at all, and I really love the technique of the blush. It looks really good. Oof. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one by God's grace. Love yourself, love God, love your neighbor as yourself. Cheers, bye.